everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm out in my garden and I've just been out all from this morning. Went and saw a friend of mine and he gave me these two nice banana plants. I've got another one inside as well what I've got to divide, but I'm going to show you that one. So these have just got one single stem in there and it's got one little side shoot coming through. This one hasn't, so you can see they need a bigger pot than that. So I've got two potato buckets down here, and into that I put some of my compost what I got from the allotment, bloodfish and bone, percolite and chicken manure pellets. I'm just going to put this some bloodfish and bone in there. So I've got the two of them going at doing two of them. Also in my other bucket there, what you can see is some koi. I want to put maybe in the polytunnel. I wanted to put some stuff in the greenhouse at the allotment, but the temperature in there is too high and I would have to leave one of the side zips open all the time for it to get the right amount of air in there. Got one of these plants. These are mussos. Just see how deep this is. So that's a musso banana. So putting it right in the middle, and then I'm going to backfill it with some with the koi. This is a 30-litre bucket, so I'm going to mix another lot of koi and put on there, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so I'm just mixing in this koi, just making sure it's got no solid lumps in there. I'm just going to pour that in just to save time. So these take more koi than what you think they take. There's the other one. Going to mix another one, get another one ready. Right, so this is a koi what I use. You get this in the pound shop. They're only £1 a block, and it makes 10 litres. That's the koi what I get. But if I go there and they've got it, then they've got 20, I'll buy it all 20. Always got it ready, mixed on hand at the allotment. It's good for putting around the bottom of plants and everything like that. And you can put your like tropical plants and like these bananas and all that there. That's there what we use naturally to pot them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and move this one out of the way, because I've got some other ones to show you as well. Alright, so I've got some buckets here. Don't know how many I can do. Right everybody, so I've also got this one. Don't know what variety of this one, but this one's got a load of in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 plants in this pot. But so I'm going to separate it down a bit. Right, so that's the pot. You need a very sharp knife, so I'm using one of my razor knives. And I'm going to go down. So that's one plant there. You can see it's got all the roots. Just drop that in there. There's 2 there, so and it's got a little sucker coming up, so I'm going to go down in between. You can see that one sending off a little sucker there. Got 4 out so far. I'm going to top these up with the compost before putting some koi on top. So these are your banana plants, how you repot them. These are going back into my greenhouse or into my conservatory. I'm not leaving them out here because like how I just cut them, they're going to need a feed as well. Don't know what I'm going to do with all these amount of banana plants if they all grow. You'll see them on the channel. Might do a giveaway or something if you're nearby. Let's see how they come up first. So we're going to need a bit of coir as well. So that's how I pot my banana plants. If you like what you've seen, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on them. So still got a few more on now, as you can see. There's 1, 2, 3, 5 are still on there, but might have to double some of those up. But I'm going to carry on doing this, and I hope you all enjoy this one. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care of yourself.